Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm just here at my buddy Nabil's place, and he actually just got a new bike. He's coming from a 250, and this is the bike that he got. Damn, look at that. Gsxr 600. What year is it, man?
2016.
2016. You already got the fender eliminator on it. I gotta give you props for that, man. Holy shit. So what mods are you gonna be doing next, like, after that?
Frame sliders coming in. Whatever I had on right now.
Yeah.
I already put this on. That was my brother did that today. Put that shit on.
Yeah.
I got a race filter coming in.
Race filter came in?
Yeah.
Nice.
The one right now is in there fine, but they don't have enough airflow.
Yeah,
race filter, that's for racing. That's coming in. Frame sliders coming in, and in a week or so I'm getting a full Brox performance exhaust.
Full Brox.
Taxes, everything.
Dude, yo, we got.
House is 2K.
Dude, we gotta do a video on that, man. We gotta do a video on the install. And like the before and after sounds, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, guys, let us know if you want to see the before and after sounds. He's gonna be installing the Brock exhaust. How are the brakes?
I didn't really press it a lot.
The brakes?
Yeah, I didn't press it a lot. Because the salt and everything, I didn't.
Yeah. You didn't want to go too hard on those.
Like under here, I just like baby steps. I have my leg right there. I'm like, nah.
Yeah. Like, is it a big difference, like as people say, from a 250 to 600? Since you've been riding the 250.
That too, but I'm rode the 1000, so.
You also rode the 1000, so you know.
Yeah. No.
This is nothing for you, right? Ooh.
I'm at 2.
Clean. What?
Yeah. Start it?
Yeah, start it, man.
Start it. I have this in, man. Just press it.
Where is it?
Bottom one.
Bottom one?
Yeah, just hold it until it starts.
Ooh. That is loud. That's the stock exhaust. So you gotta rev it, man. You gotta rev it for the camera. That is clean. Damn, if it's this loud in the stock, I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine with the Brock. Look at that. 2 kilometers? You gonna take these mirrors off?
Put that in and put the light up there, and put a handlebar. I get to see my arm.
So you're just gonna put the what's it called? The flush. The flush lights. Okay. What about the front? You gonna put the LEDs? You should, man. Honestly. It's gonna be sick, man. It's gonna be sick seeing the bike change and like all the mods you're gonna do with it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said before, if you want to see the mods done to this bike, don't forget to subscribe and we will get it done for you.
Press the like button too.
Press the like button. Let us know the suggestions.